This is your Santa Maria chiropractor and wellness consultant, Dr. Fred Carbone. Hey, I've shared this with you before, but it's such an important topic it bears repeating. Our chiropractic news service just showed us the latest study linking chiropractic adjustments to a reduction in blood pressure. So many Americans suffer from high blood pressure, and if you look at their posture, you'll very commonly find that they're rounding the upper back with their head too far forward. That's because these areas of the spine here are where the nerves to the heart come from. So adjustments in that area can significantly lower someone's blood pressure. So if you or a family member or a friend have bad posture and high blood pressure, chiropractic is probably a good way for you to go. So I put the link directly below this video so you can read the article yourself and share it with your loved ones. And of course, give our office a call. Our number is 934-5757. We want to help you with your health challenges. We want to be your source of everything health. Thank you and goodbye.